Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. How you think Joseph did feel if he had travel with pregnant Mary and they never married yet? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 7. In a them day, the Roman ruler, Caesar Augustus, give order to write down the name of everybody in a kingdom. This is the first time name I write down since the time when Quirinius did a rule over Syria. All him people them did have to go to the town where them born, to get them name right down so the government can tax them. So, cause Joseph, they come from David family, and David is born in a Judea, him did have to left from Nazareth in a Galilee and go to Bethlehem in a Judea. Joseph got there with Mary to get their name right down. The two of them did engage to marry them one another, and she did have baby in her belly. When them did it, Mary take in for have baby, and she have her first picnic, one boy. She wrap him up in a baby blanket and put him in a box with the animal them nyamota, cause no space never in a guest house for them. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.